One of the benefits for the blockchain for the insurance industry is some of the inherent features of blockchain, as it seems to be a tailor-made emerging technology for the insurance industry.
First and foremost, it's a shared ledger. More importantly, it's a permissioned approach so that my information is accessible only to those individuals or those entities to whom I give permission.
So with blockchain in the insurance industry now, we are able to give back the control of the data to the data creators, and mainly the insurance companies, because at the end of the day, they are the ones who provide a lot of data around claims and policies.
Many aspects of the insurance business today are going to see revolutionary changes to the way they're done because of blockchain.
So openIDL has a specific purpose, right? So that's not a blockchain that does everything insurance, right? That's not happening, right? I don't think there is one network that can do everything for the insurance industry.
We're looking to streamline a very antiquated and onerous process, which is regulatory reporting. And we not only stat reporting, but also data calls.
So data call is when a regulator asking a question to the insurance companies in their market, and then openIDL is going to help answer that question, removing the frictions, the back and forth that go on today to answer that question, and allow the regulators to trust the data that they are getting as a result of the data call.
I think one of the fascinating things about openIDL is the fact that it's not only bringing efficiency to a long-standing regulatory and stat reporting process, but it's offering an opportunity for the participants within that blockchain, the insurance companies, to actually get value out of that very same information.
Stat reporting to a certain extent, and certainly around data calls, it's a one-way flow. We provide data, or carriers provide data to regulators, and they don't get the market information back in real time, especially around the major event in our industry where carriers are typically required to provide this data.
So I think what blockchain is going to do is really add that transparency and that accountability for all of the different players involved, and eventually all of this is going to go back to the insured. I think it's going to allow the insured to have better insurance products at more fair prices and affordable prices, and hopefully more choices.
It's hard to imagine exactly what's going to happen with blockchain in the future. But for insurance companies, I think we're going to see the interaction of different blockchains with one another, bringing new risk insights and new ways for insurance companies to deliver both product and services within those blockchains.
Obviously, there's already a number of blockchain initiatives, and there's a great interest in that. And I think the real power is going to come with those, at some point in the future, those blockchains will begin to integrate, and not just within our industry, but outside of our industry.
So if you will, there are going to be insurance-centric blockchains, and there are also going to be business blockchains into which risk management, of course, insurance being an aspect of risk management, that become a part of those blockchains too.
And then we're going to see the quantum advancements in the blockchain technology that's going to have an impact not only on our industry, but in our society. It's very exciting to be part of that.
So if you're an insurance company, you are exploring blockchain, you have to do two things. Well, you have to think big and have a vision. This is my core mission as a company today. This is what I do. This is my differentiator. Now, how can I do this better? How can I fulfill my mission better by using blockchain and other technologies? So that's your North Star, that's where you're going to. So you have that vision for the future. Based off of that, then you start by being very practical, very pragmatic, and writing code instead of writing papers.
Begin to explore what companies like IBM are doing, obviously what AAIS is doing with openIDL. There's great literature out there. Don Tapscott is a favorite author of mine, and his book on the blockchain revolution is something to take a look at, or even his 2 or 3 TED Talks that are out there.
Yeah, the advice I would give carriers around openIDL and blockchain is jump in. Right? You can become a member of AAIS very easily. You can participate in openIDL with that. You can gain the efficiency immediately of your stat reporting process. You can also gain the added value of getting back analytics that can help improve your business. And also you can learn more about blockchain technology and how it can impact your business. So it's a great opportunity, and plus you get all the additional benefits of being an AAIS member, access to all of our programs and our services. So yeah, it's a great time to be involved in blockchain, so please join us.